more than, just the program. What I personally like is my own kid, my younger one, he's 11 years old. He's now 12 years old. Since last year, he's doing this. And I personally have seen tremendous amount of change in the terms of his thinking, the way he dissect any problem, the problem solving nature, right? These days, people are not looking for just experts and champions. They're also looking for problem solving. What exactly the business is? Business is, if there are many problems in the world, to solve that problem, if I can provide solution using any technology, service, skill, talent, and monetize that is a business. In Moonpreneur, it is not just execution. Moonshot Junior Moonpreneur, it's not just execution. It is actual hand-holding right from the ideation till the launch. And many of them you might have already seen, right, on Amazon and on Kickstart. That is the number one difference, which I see, that this is not. In the overall journey of learning this, they get to meet so many different entrepreneurial mindset kids. So it becomes like a fraternity. It becomes like a club, right? If you are with 5 entrepreneurs, you'll be the 6th one. If you are with 5 wealthy people, you'll be the 6th one. If you are with the 5 innovative, energetic, spiritual, highly energetic people, you'll be the 6th one. If you are with 5 gossiping, negative energy people, you'll be the 6th one. So power of association. Throughout the process, the kids also go through a great association, great company, which again motivates them.